everyone, Gagajoy. I'm glad you stopped in today. We're going to have something a little different for me. Did your family ever say, I wonder why don't we have such and such like we used to? And I go, well, who knows? But I think after your children are raised and everything, you sort of get out of the habit of fixing certain things. This is a side dish that my kids always loved. Well, we all did. My husband loved it too. And I've got 4 pieces of sausage in here and 2 cans of hominy. So I'm going to cook the hominy and the sausage together first. Because you want now you drain your hominy as best you can, but you want your hominy to get a little bit brown. And that sausage grease, you see, is the hominy. Let me know some of the things that you used to cook all the time that you don't cook anymore. You'd be surprised, there are few that jump out. And actually, it's one of those things that you can add anytime you want to. Take it away if you want to. I always add onions, peppers, and you can add ham if you want to the instead of sausage. But we have, I think sausage is the only thing we have to use is just sausage. Because we got 2 cans of hominy, 4 sausage links, about a little small onion, a half a pepper, and I just threw the other onions in there first. And about, I'm going with 3 tablespoons of butter at the very end. And I've already tasted it, and it really is good. Well, we've had a good day. It was going a good day until my camera cut off, but we're good. We're good today. So, I hope you enjoy your hominy. Try it. Let me know. See you soon. Have a good day. Remember the joy. We can always find joy in hard times.